Learn how to assign teachers to learners on your e-learning platform. Firstly, click on Manage Settings in the sidebar menu to access configuration options. From here, click on General Settings to configure your platform's core settings. Now click the System option to access and configure system-related settings. Next, select Yes to enable manual teacher assignment functionality in your system. Following this, select Yes to hide the teacher listing pages from the front end. Click Save Changes to apply all the updated general settings. Next up, as a learner, click the Submit Learning Preferences button to personalize your learning experience. Afterwards, select your preferred subjects from the drop-down to specify your learning areas. Following that, enter your learning requirements in the description field to help match you with suitable teachers. From here, click Submit to send your learning preferences for teacher matching. Now, admin can assign teacher according to learner preference. To assign a teacher, click on the Learner Preferences section. To assign a teacher, click the Assign button. Following that, enter the subject names in the Subjects field to filter teacher assignments. Next up, enter the teacher's name or email in this field to search. Now teachers are assigned. To check Login to Learner account. And the admin can also assign teachers directly from the user listing page. Now log in to Learn Dashboard. From here, you can see your learning preference status. Then, click on Learning Preferences section to view the status of the learning preferences submitted. As we can see, the status has been marked as completed. That's how admins can quickly assign teachers to learners on the platform.